Want to see Obama too? But what I like about it, Dinah came from Toledo, and I come back in here to tell my sister, I know that she ain't coming here for nothing. She coming here with a message, a message from Jesus. And ever since she came, I've been taking my prayer life back, taking my rightful position in Him. I ain't got to tell you about it, because if you know Jesus, you know all about it. And if He abide in you, and I abide in Him, you don't have to worry about a thing. So if you're sitting down worrying, how are you going to do this? How are you going to do that? But I tell you, if you get on your knees and tell God all about it and say in your prayer that He can do exceedingly abundantly above anything that you may